What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to download a modded version of Hunting Sniper. All resources completely for free. So this works on iPhone and Android. So what you need to do, guys, is go to this website. It's called zoomods.com. They have like all the modded apps. So once you're on the site, guys, go to the search bar and just type in Hunting Sniper. And as you can see, it says Hunting Sniper mod. So press on it and begin the download. Now, before we can install the Hunting Sniper mod, there is a verification where we have to download 2 apps to complete the instructions. It's 100% free. These are from the official App Store, and you have to do it because if you don't, nothing will happen, and you'll continue to be a broke hunting sniper player. Do you really want to be a poor hunting sniper player? Well, I was until I found this site on Reddit, and I was like, damn, I gotta get myself some free stuff. So here we go, the final step, Hunting Sniper mod installer. Please install 2 free apps. It's going to be around 4 apps on this page. And so we need to download 2 of them. We just press tap to install. It'll bring us to the App Store, guys, and we download the app. Now, bear in mind, the apps have different instructions. So we have our TikTok app where it says down and run for 30 seconds. But then we got Family Island, and we actually have to be level 10 on Family Islands to unlock this. And I did it. I did Family Island. It was not hard. But anyway, be sure to go ahead and do 2 of the apps, and then the Hunting Sniper mod will download. They have a thing down here. It says chain completion, so it's actively looking to make sure you did it. It's a very, very good process, and it will take you less than like 10 minutes. And it's totally worth it, guys, as you can see, because you end up with so much resources. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because this fully works, guys, and it's super cool. I've long been like on the hunt for a hunting sniper hack, and I think I finally discovered something that really works. Like, this is so cool, guys. And yeah, you just got to make sure your device is on like at least iOS 13 or above, or whatever version is required to play Hunting Sniper. But I'll see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and peace out, guys.